Hey praisers and savers, I usually go shopping on Monday at Walmart, but I just did CVS yesterday, so I'm going to hit Walmart today. I do have like the midweek Moneymaker or whatever it's called, and I have to get that. Also, I lost the challenge to Saving with Christina. I'm going to put her YouTube channel up here for you guys. She is great. I love Saving with Christina. She's really good with all the rebate apps. She breaks everything down for you. She has little breakdowns, and I think she has a principal breakdown in the description box. Not sure. So I lost the challenge. So my kids and I did the Hungry Hippo challenge. So watch that now. Hey, praisers and savers. You'll say it? No? Okay. So we're going to do the Hungry Hippo challenge because I challenged Saving with Christina to see who can get the lowest out of pocket at Walmart last week. And guess what happened, guys? We lost. Christina saved, she had a $2 moneymaker after everything, and I think I spent like $3. So she was the winner, I was the loser, but that's okay. We're going to play Hungry Hippo. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands behind our back. We're going to put the Nerds gummy clusters in our mouth. We got tons of those. And put it in the cup. And whoever gets the most in the cup is going to be the winner.
What's the reward?
What's the reward? You get to keep the Nerds gummy clusters that you put in your cup. All right, you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. All right, Mark. Get set. Go. You are so in the way. You're not getting any. I'm winning. If I eat one, does that count?
No.
I'm gonna beat y'all. Connor, what are you doing?
I'm trying to
I
raise.
got to that top.
No.
These gummy clusters have spit all over them.
Yeah. Move.
Go! Oh, I'm winning. I just hit my tooth on the counter.
I'm done. Take mine.
No! Put yours in mine.
I'm done.
I think I'm the winner.
And this is your reward.
Okay. There's slobber all over.
Connor. I was on this.
All right, I'm the winner.
Alright, what?
If you guys are not following Saving with Christina, please go follow her page. I lost the challenge. She got a better out of pocket than I did. And so we had to do this. It was super fun. So if you guys are not on any of the rebates that I mentioned in the video, please go to my description box, click on the link. You get a little, probably a little, sign up bonus as well as I do when you sign up for those rebates. Also, I only need 5 offers to hit my dollar midweek bonus because I've already got 5 offers from other things. So it was 10 offers for $1 and only need 5 more today. But we're going ahead and just get a bunch of stuff. I'm excited because there are some repeat deals and a lot of great money makers today. All right, let's get inside and get started. So the first deal we're doing is a repeat deal on the Neutrogena facial bar. These are $2.74. I have this coupon from coupons.com that I got weeks ago. I don't know if it's still there or not, but this is a $3 off, making this bar just 26 cents, making this a moneymaker of 26 cents. So moneymaker of 26 cents. I tried to use this coupon actually at CVS yesterday and it beeped and I just didn't want to fight with it. So 26 cent moneymaker on the Neutrogena bar. So I'm looking around because I have a ton of those bars already and they have the oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit, and this is similar to what I bought yesterday. It's $3.47. We have that $3 off coupon, making this just 47 cents. So I think I'm going to get this instead, give it a little bit of variety. So 47 cents is pretty good for some acne wash. Right, this is a repeat deal from last week. We're doing this again. These are $2.87. We're going to pick up 2 of these. When we pick up 2 of these, that's going to make it $5.74. We're going to use this $1.50 coupon on 2. So just one of these, $1.50 coupon on 2. When you do that, it's going to make it $4.24. And then Ibotta has a rebate where there's $1 for each. So you can do a limited two. So $1 on this one, $1 on this one. So $2 on that, making these just $2.24 or about $1.12 each. This is a repeat Shopkick deal. I love this deal because this actually scans, like it works when you do the scan and kick, so you don't have to go find the bigger size. These are 97 cents. I have 190 scans and kicks, which makes it 76 cents. And then you're only going to pay out of pocket 21 cents after you get back that rebate. So 21 cents on some Clorox to-go wipes in the travel section. Another repeat deal, but great for my blessing bags. The Old Spice bundle, you're going to pick up 2 of these. Now, one of them, the deodorant's 97 cents, the body wash is $1.47, but I just put it was $1.47 for both of them on my spreadsheet. So both of them is going to be about $2.94. You're going to submit those scans and kicks. It's going to equal about $4.20, and this is going to make this $1.26 moneymaker. So a moneymaker on the travel size body wash and deodorant, great for my blessing bags. Doing a repeat deal on the Can-Do flushable wipes. These are $1.54. There's still a 75-cent Ibotta rebate on the app, making these just 79 cents. If you go on the Can-Do website, there's a 50-cent coupon that you can print, making these even cheaper, but I've already exceeded all my prints on that, so 79 cents for the Can-Do wipes. All right, so I actually have some more of the Zantac 360 coupons. I think somebody gave these to me, $4 off. These are $4.94, so when I use that $4 off coupon, because it's any one product, makes this just 94 cents each, so pretty great deal. I'm picking up 2 boxes today with both those coupons, 94 cents each. All right, I'm really excited about this Tastefuls cat food. These are 90 cents each. There is a coupon on coupons.com, so you don't need to clip a coupon or anything. So what we'll do is we'll pick up 2 of these at 90 cents each. That's going to make it $1.80. Taking that $1 off coupon when you buy 2 of those products makes it 80 cents. And then Ibotta has an any item for the cat food for 10 cents. Making this 70 cents for both cans of cat food or 35 cents each. This is an insane deal on the blue dry cat food. These are $7.98. There is a coupon on coupons.com, so no clipping needed, for $3 back when you buy a bag of cat food, making this just $4.98. On Ibotta, submit that receipt to get $4 back. It'll make this cat food just 98 cents a bag. All right, we got an awesome moneymaker on the Lemmy Shine. You guys know I love the Lemmy Shine. This is a repeat deal. We're going to pick up 2 of these at $3.97, making this just $7.94. We're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks for the 1,000 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $10, making this a $2.06 moneymaker. Love this deal. So excited. Next thing we're going to be picking up is this 98-cent Palmolive. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Shopkicks. We're going to scan the Ultra, that's the larger bottle, for $2.33. Now, if you have the coupon for these, you can use it if you want. There's a 50-cent coupon out there, but I'm just going to stick with these small bottles today. So when you get the small bottle, you'll submit your scans and kicks, which is equivalent to about 96 cents in scans and kicks, making this just 2 cents. Y'all, I'm so excited. This deal's back in the Swagbucks app. Amazing. So this is the new fish scratch starter. These are $9.47. You can do this one. There's also this one up here that I was thinking about getting too. It's like ceramic coating. These are $15.47.97. So you only pay $1 each really whenever you submit your receipt to Swagbucks. But I'm so nervous because these things pop in and pop out on us so quickly. So I need to rush home and submit my receipt. But I'm getting 2 of these at $9.47. Going to submit to Swagbucks for 3,000 Swagbucks or $30. So this is going to be an insane moneymaker. I'm going to make $11.06 off getting 2 bottles of this. So $11.06. If you don't see the that one, like I said, look for the other ones, because even if you don't make the moneymaker off of this, that's still a good deal on the other one that's up there. And the bad thing is I don't even wash my car. My kids do it, or I take it to the car wash. I'm still getting it for this moneymaker. $11.06. Amazing. All right, guys, Swagbucks is showing out today. So we also have our Armor All ceramic glass cleaner back in the gallery as well. And there's an Ibotta rebate. So let's do the math on this. We're going to get 2 of these at $5.97. That's going to be a total of $11.94. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 each, but when you do that, you're going to get a 50-cent bonus for buying 2. So that's $2.50. Plus, you're going to submit the Swagbucks for 2,000 Swagbucks, and everything is end up going to cost you a Moneymaker, and it's $10.56. This is insane. Another Moneymaker today. Hurry home and submit this before it goes away. I just want to show you my spreadsheet real quick. That's $11 for the new finish and $10.56 for the Armor All ceramic glass cleaner. So hurry up and grab those today. Also, Moneymaker on the Oikos yogurt. We're going to get one of these at $1 each. We're going to submit this receipt to coupons.com. So no coupon needed for this one either, but you can print on coupons.com if you wanted to. So submit the receipt for 65 cents. It's going to make this 35 cents after the coupon. And then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for 75 cents, which is going to make this a Moneymaker of 40 cents. So I'm super excited about this Moneymaker of 40 cents. We got a good number of Moneymakers today, so really good. I wish they had a cherry or something else, but I'll take this Moneymaker of 40 cents. All right, this is a repeat deal for us on the Crystal Light. So these are $2.48. We're going to submit to Shopkicks. I believe it's for like 520 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.08. So you're going to get these for just 40 cents. So $2.48. Shopkicks is $2.08, making these just 40 cents. However, if you don't want to get like this type or whatever, you can go and get the cheaper one. Like this is the lemon iced tea. It's $1.98. This would make it a Moneymaker. So if you wanted that one, that would be a 10-cent Moneymaker. But I'm going to stick to the pink lemonade because I think my kids would like that better than the Moneymaker of the lemon iced tea. All right, praisers and savers, I'm so excited. This is probably my best haul that I have ever done at Walmart. My purse strap keeps falling down. So everything that you see in my cart was a total of $72.69. Ignore that soap, that's not included in that. We just need it. So $72.69. However, with my coupons, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Fetch, Swagbucks, all that, I am going to be having an $18.56 Moneymaker. So this is an $18.56 Moneymaker today. I am so excited. The Lemmy Shine was a Moneymaker. The Old Spice deodorant was a Moneymaker. The Armor All ceramic tire glass cleaner was a Moneymaker. And then the new finish scratch doctor was a Moneymaker, and so was the yogurt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items total that were Moneymakers, so making this a Moneymaker of $18.56 for everything. This is probably my best haul to date. Hey praisers and savers, I am sorry I'm not parked at Walmart. I figure I can talk and drive at the same time. It is so hot out here in South Carolina. It's like 92 degrees and the humidity is super hot, so I didn't want to sit there. Anyways, that was an amazing Walmart trip. Of course, like I said, $18.56 Moneymaker, and it was all due to that new finish and that ceramic. Now, if you don't have the glass cleaner ceramic, they have the other ceramic Armor All spray or whatever it's called, and it's $9. So it won't be like, it'll be like a 3-cent Moneymaker per bottle. But if you can get the glass one, do that. And so I just want to share with you guys some tricks that I've been learning with these rebate apps. Since I've kind of started and been annoyed with some things, I do not run everything on the same receipt. So what I do is I have my iPad. You guys have seen it when I talk about my portable breakdowns. What I do is I ring up all my like IBOTTA items, and all my items are just like anything that I pick up on my own, just grocery items, whatever. So I pick up all those things, and then I do that. And then I check out. Then I do my, Shopkicks, all my Shopkicks items, and then my Swagbucks items. Now, if any of my items is like a double rebate, like if it's a Swagbucks and an IBOTTA, or Swagbucks and a Shopkicks, I always just make sure all the Swagbucks are on the same receipt no matter what, because Swagbucks is iffy about things, and you never know what you're going to get. And so I get super annoyed with Swagbucks a lot of times. And then when I get home, a lot of times I'll try to highlight the receipt or underline things so they can see it. When I do the receipt separate, there's hardly ever a problem. The only problem I've had recently was the cream of wheat. I submitted that several times, reviewed several times. They never would accept it. On top of all that, I will say that my coupons on this transaction worked out really well. I had no beeps. So that Neutrogena, acne wash, all that, it worked fine because I was worried it wasn't going to work. That was that $3.47 bottle that we got, the small bottle. And then on top of all of that, what I was doing before with IBOTTA and I think Swagbucks was I was getting Walmart gift cards sent to my email. You know how you can, you know, when you get your e-gift card, your electronic gift card. Well, I'm not doing that anymore. I have a PayPal debit card. And if you do not have a PayPal debit card, you need to get a PayPal debit card. So I have a PayPal debit card, and what I do is when I'm ready to check out, when I'm about to check out, I send all of my IBOTTA earnings to my PayPal card. I do it every single time I check out. And that way I just swipe that IBOTTA card, because what ends up happening is if I use those Walmart e-gift cards, it's like almost every time they've got to get a CSM manager person to come over and put it in. Now, since I've been doing my PayPal debit card, ringing it up like that, I have not had any problems. I haven't had to call a CSM the whole time. Now, I think with Shopkicks, I still get the Walmart card, but that, you know, that's fine. And then with Fetch, I'll get a Walmart card or I'll get a CVS card, whichever one I want to get for those. But it's with the Swagbucks and the IBOTTA, I put it on my PayPal. Now, I think with Swagbucks, what they do is they say, okay, we're going to give you a PayPal gift card. And then, you know, within 5 days, they send you an email. You verify it on the email, and then it gets onto your PayPal account. So it's not a gift card. It just goes onto your PayPal account, and you can check it. It's usually there immediately, and I always check it. And also, I use my PayPal. It's hooked to my Facebook Pay, and that's how I use my couponing service that I use to buy the couponing subscription for my person. So anyways, all right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Sorry, it's a little bit longer video than usual. I am about to pull up at my house. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys probably on Thursday. All right, guys. Bye.